Hi foodies, welcome to Healthy Lunchbox series episode number 6. In this episode, let's make a delectable paneer pepper garlic rice, a dish that's not only mouth-watering but also perfect for your lunchbox. To start off, let's take half cup of fragrant basmati rice, wash it thoroughly and keep it aside. To a pot, add in 3 cups of water and let it come to a nice boil. Add a pinch of salt and drizzle of oil to prevent the rice from sticking. Then add the rice and cook until it's perfectly done. Drain off the cooked rice and set this aside in a plate for later. Now let's also crush 3/4 teaspoon of peppercorns in a mortar and a pestle into a chunky powder. Now let's move on to the star of the show, a flavorful mix of onions, garlic, spring onions and paneer. Keep all ready chopped. To a heavy bottom cast iron kadai, heat some oil and then fry half cup of these tiny paneer cubes until they turn into a beautiful golden brown. Make sure you cut your paneer into tiny cubes. Cutting paneer into tiny cubes gives a nice chunky taste when you bite the rice. Once these turns beautiful golden brown, remove from the kadai and set them aside. Now to the same oil, let's add in the finely chopped garlic. Saute it, let it sizzle and turn beautiful golden, releasing its aromatic flavors into the oil. It's time to add our crushed peppercorns. The fragrance that fills the kitchen is simply irresistible. Now without wasting any time, let's toss in the chopped onions and make sure the heat is high and keep stirring. We want to get that nice caramelized color of the onion to enhance the overall flavor of our dish. For the extra burst of umami goodness, here I am using Ching's dark soy sauce to add the depth and richness to this dish. Adding 3/4 teaspoon of this soy sauce will add whole new level of deliciousness. Once everything is nicely sauteed, it's time to add our cooked rice. Mix it all well together, ensuring that every grain of rice is coated with those delightful flavors. And now is the key moment. Get back our golden fried paneer cubes into the rice. These little nuggets of joy are going to add wonderful texture and protein boost to our lunch. Mix thoroughly and finally let's garnish our paneer pepper garlic rice with some fresh, vibrant spring onions. It not only adds a pop of color but also a hint of freshness to balance out the richness of the dish. And here you go, a lunchbox recipe that's sure to impress with its tantalizing flavors and wholesome ingredients. This paneer pepper garlic rice is perfect dish to spice up your lunchtime routine. So why wait? Get cooked and treat yourself to a meal that's a delicious and nutritious. Meet you in another video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.